In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in system restore. Best result, you're going to back with create a restore point. Go ahead and open that up. If the create option is grayed out, you may have to select configure and then turn on system protection. And then once you've done that, you would select OK, and then select the create button here. You can name this restore point whatever you want. I'd recommend naming it a conventional structure, something that you would easily remember what you were doing before you created the restore point. Select create here and give this a moment. So you can see it was created successfully. You close out of there and select system restore. You should be able to restore back to that restore point that we just created. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.